Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I will describe some important basic things about C program. Okay, let's start. Okay, you can see all the C program consist one or more statement. Do you know what is statement? Statement means something written in C, right? As example, I am writing an statement. In this video, this is a statement. Every statement ends with semicolon. Okay, let's see. Functions are the building blocks of C. It's a function. Printf, it's a function. And this full process called a statement. Okay, every program ends with a semicolon, as I said before. No constraint on placing statement. You may place two or more statement in line. Okay, let's see. I have written printf example something, one statement end, and we can write another scanf printf. You can write a lot of statement in a line. Okay, let's see the general form of C. General form of C: return type, function name, parameter list, second opening brace, statement sequence, second closing brace. Okay, let's go to the return type. Return type specifies the type of data returned by the function. Function name is the name of function where we can pass information through its parameter or parameters. Okay, I'll discuss it later, no problem. The statements sequence constant one or more statement, as I said before. If a function contains no statement, it has no output, and it's called degenerative case. Okay, let's see a degenerative case. Let's write a program. Load studio. Okay, int and name. Return 0. There is no statement like printf, scanf or anything, so the result of this program will be 0. Nothing will be shown in the output. Okay, so this is called a degenerative case. Okay, function. C have many functions, but the only must-have function is main. I said it in my previous video. You can see it. Where execution begins. It's a body. It's the main function. Main function is the body of C. The execution begins from it. When program begins, it starts executing the statement inside main, beginning with the first statement after the opening curly brace, and ends when the curly brace is reached. You can see. Let's see an example. Main. It's a opening curly brace, and the execution begins from here, and it will end when it reaches to the closing curly brace. Okay. The another important thing is library function. C compilers supplied some specified functions to run the program. It is called standard. It contains function to perform disk input output, string manipulations, mathematical computations, and much more. When you compile a program, the code for each library function got automatically included. Okay, you don't have to write all the program like when you write print to get some input. So it's a function, it will work automatically. You don't need to write the build function of print. It will be automatically included in your program. Okay, you don't need to write the print function of print. Okay, the most common library function is called print, as I said before. Print, this is general purpose output function of C. The simplest form is print string to output. Which one do you want to get as output? You have to write down here. Printf contains outputs between the beginning and ending double quotes. These two double quotes is called a string, and they won't be visible on the output screen. Okay, let's see an example. If you write printf country, the output will be country. There, these double quotes won't be visible here. Okay, printf's argument are they which we put inside the double quotes of printf's parenthesis. Like here you can see I have written country between the double quotes. It is the argument in this function. Okay, however, information passed by a function is called arguments. Information passed by a function is called arguments. In C, calling a library function is a statement. Therefore, it must end with a semicolon. As I said, every statement ends with a semicolon, like here. Okay. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for further update. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Wish you good luck. Thank you. Tata.